does your gut say? Huh. It just sounded like some random gurgling. Oh well. Time to feed our flower. Hey, oh, what can we do? We're just three adorable baby bears.
I think my gut's trying to say